Hi everyone. I'm Mr. Albert. Rainforests grow along the equator where it is hot, wet and steamy all year around. Although they only cover about a sixth of the Earth, they are home to millions of different plants and animals, more than any other habitat in the world. There are 4 layers in the rainforest: the emergent layer, the canopy, the understory and the forest floor. The emergent layer. Poking out above the rainforest is scattering of giant trees, called emergent. Some are on incredible 60 meters tall, as high as a 20-story building. They battered by howling wind and often struck by lightning. What are the animals that live in the emergent layer? Monkeys, birds and other animals live in the emergent layer. Thank you for listening.